Welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss about assignment operators in Python. This is very simple class to understand, and we are going to discuss the power operator which we already missed in our previous classes. So please follow the complete video. So equal to is used as assignment operator, means assigning a value to a variable. We call it as assignment operator. So x equal to 10. 10 is assigned to variable x. Y equal to 2. 2 is assigned to variable y. And there is a shortcut in this assignment operators, x plus equal to y. What's the meaning of this? So instead of writing this expression x equal to x plus y, there is a shortcut. This is the shortcut. So if you write this expression, this is same as this expression. So x plus equal to y means x equal to x plus y. So after executing this statement, what is the value that present in x? 10. 10 plus 2. What is the value that present in y? 2. 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2. 12. 12 is assigned to x. So x contains value 12. If you display print x, you are going to get an output of 12. Now try to understand how we write the shortcuts for remaining operators. X minus or equal to 1. What's the expression for this? X equal to x minus 1. Similarly, x star star equal to y. This is the power operator. X equal to x star star y. Star star means power means what is the value that present in x? 10. 10 power. What is the value that present in y? 2. 10 power 2, which is 100. 100 is going to be assigned to x. Similarly, x multiply equal to y. X equal to x multiplied by y. X divide equal to y. X equal to x divided by y. X floor division equal to y. X equal to x floor division y. X modulus equal to y. X equal to x modulus y. So these are the assignment operators which are available in Python. Hope you got good clarity about assignment operators. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.